Alam niyo ba, masarap ang poached egg sa pancit canton? Sobrang creamy. Maraming nai-intimidate pero actually, ang dali lang nito gawin.
Marami talagang technique kung paano mag-poach ng egg. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay shortcut ng poaching ng egg. So tara, let's do this!
So we're going to add 2 cups or 500 ml of water in a non-stick, I repeat, non-stick saucepan. And then we need a serving spoon big enough para magkasya yung itlog. And deep enough para hindi rin siya tatapon pag scoop out mo na yung egg. Alam niyo ba, meron ding proper way ng pag-prepare ng Indomie mee goreng. You have to mix all Indomie packet of sauces first in a plate or in a bowl. This method avoids clumps or lumps and helps you equally distribute yung seasoning sa noodles. Mga Marichef, hahaluin lang natin siya ng mabuti until it turns into a sticky paste. Ganyan dapat yung itsura. And then we'll boil the noodles. And then pag kumukulo na rin yung water ng pang-poach mo ng egg, i-drop mo na yung egg and then patayin mo agad yung heat. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng vinegar, you don't need salt, you don't need to stir it. The secret to a good poached egg is really the freshness of the egg. So habang inaantay natin maluto yung egg, i-drain na natin ang noodles and we will place it over the sauce. And then we will mix it thoroughly. So isang way to know if your eggs are fresh ay isasubmerge mo siya or ilalagay mo sa isang basong water. Kapag ito ay lumubog, ibig sabihin fresh ang egg. Pero kapag ito ay lumutang, it means the egg is not good anymore. We'll see that the egg white is firm enough and holds enough na hindi niya na kailangan ng vinegar. It also doesn't need to be timed. It depends on how jiggly and runny you want the yolks to be. Bagay na bagay sa Indomie Original or hot and spicy. Huwag natin pahirapan ang mga sarili natin para lahat tayo sarap feelings.